Hey guys, this is Derek from moderncastle.com. Today we'll be taking a look at the Dyson Big Ball Multi Floor Canister vacuum. This vacuum uses Dyson's Cyclone radial technology, has a lifetime washable filter, and a ton of suction power. But is it right for your home? Let's go ahead and dive in. First, let's take a look at the design. This two-part style segments the vacuum head, handle, and extending wand from the motor, dustbin, and ball base. These two parts are joined together by the flexible extension hose that transfers the dust and debris from the floor to the dustbin canister. The self-adjusting cleaning head is similar to other Dyson upright models. The canister itself uses Dyson's patented two-tier Radial Cyclone technology, which boosts filtering capacity in conjunction with their integrated HEPA filter. The Dyson Big Ball canister is 15.7 inches long, has a 10.5 inch wide cleaning head, and a body height of 12.1. Additionally, it has a weight of 17.6 pounds. The Dyson Big Ball canister comes with a number of accessories, including crevice tool, dusting brush, stair tool, wand rotator tool. All Modern Castle vacuum reviews are tested on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. For each test, we measure the percentage of debris cleaned. The Big Ball's performance on hardwood surface left a bit to be desired. While it was able to clean 100% of sugar and kitty litter, it only sucked up 81% of rice and only 3% of cereal. On the other hand, it performed nearly perfectly on low-pow carpet tests, with 100% of smaller debris being sucked up and 98% of larger debris. When it came to high-pow carpet, it had trouble with cereal while performing nearly perfectly on the smaller debris. Overall, the Dyson Big Ball is extremely easy to use. As you clean and naturally move the vacuum head, the canister ball will follow behind you. The Dyson Big Ball also includes a retractable cord. The cleaning head can turn easily and is able to lay almost completely flat. The design of the Big Ball canister allows it to automatically upright itself in the event that it falls over. With the majority of the weight in the canister, high and hard to reach places are easier to clean using the extension wand. Finally, the hose and tools allow you to clean a variety of household surfaces. Maintenance on the Dyson Big Ball is fairly straightforward. Since it's a corded vacuum, you'll never have to worry about replacing a battery. To empty the dustbin, simply remove the canister from the ball by pressing down on the red latch here, place over a trash can, and then push this red lever down into the trash to force the dust and debris out. The filter is washable, which means less maintenance costs over the lifetime of the vacuum. Simply wash in cold water and leave out to dry for at least 24 hours. So, should you buy this vacuum? The Dyson Big Ball Multi Floor Canister vacuum is best if, number 1, you want a self-righting canister. The multi-floor canister can upright itself if it falls over. Number 2, you want something for all floor types. Similar to the Multi-Floor 2 upright vacuum, the Multi-Floor canister is designed to clean all floor types and has a self-adjusting cleaning head. For cleaning hard-to-reach areas, the articulating handle makes it easy to clean under furniture or high above. And number 3, you want a strong cleaning performance. As noted above, the cleaning performance of this Dyson canister vacuum was solid overall. Several cleaning tools and extremely powerful suction combine for one of the best performers we have tested to date. Larger debris can give the main cleaning head problems, but with the various hose attachments, it's able to handle those debris with ease. Well guys, that is it for this review. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please drop us a note down below. We're always available to help. If you didn't like this video, give us a thumbs down, but if you thought it was cool, we'd love your thumbs up. If you'd like to see more from Modern Castle, definitely get subscribed, check out some of our other videos, or visit us over at moderncastle.com. We've got the full contextual review on the Dyson Ball Multi Floor Canister vacuum, as well as other comparison reviews and a whole lot more. If you're interested in buying the Dyson Multi Floor vacuum, definitely check out the links in the description down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching.